Traders, welcome to today's trading recap. Today is Monday, July 10th. It was another great one in the market today. We had another wild, volatile morning session. You know that I'm a firm believer in only trading the morning session, and I got a good one here for you guys today. Okay, today I'm going to educate you and maybe illustrate for you on two different approaches to trading the market. All right, I'm going to talk to you about aggressive traders, and I'm also going to talk to you about conservative traders. And both styles work, okay? I cannot say that one style is better than the other. I firmly believe that both approaches and both mentalities can make a lot of money. All right, so let's get into it. My name is Mark at DynoTrading. If you're new to the channel, then welcome. And of course, if you're a long-term customer and or subscriber, then you know I appreciate your support. And what you're seeing on the screen right now is our proprietary volume-based indicator color band. This is a simple version of market profile that essentially tells you at any one moment in time what is the prevailing trend. You follow? So for example, if I take this signal box and move it up here to the start, you see how this thing changed, right? This color band changed colors from green into red at exactly 9:43 a.m., right? This tells you that a short or sell trend is underway, and there's a better chance than not that the market goes down. And on the flip side, of course, you guessed it, whenever this indicator turns green, you guessed it, it tells you that the bulls are now in control and that there's a better chance than not of the market going up. You understand? But that's not what we're talking about in this video. All right, you guys already know how powerful and incredible this volume indicator color band is. Okay, in my humble opinion, this indicator is the most superior trend trading indicator in the world. Okay, what I want to talk to you about is how do you trade it, and what do I mean when I say aggressively trading the color band or conservatively trading the color band? Well, folks, it's very simple. All right, there's really only two approaches to trading this color band. Okay, now the aggressive way to trade this volume indicator is to simply trade the color change. You understand? So as an example, when this thing turned red here at 9:43 a.m., if you are an aggressive trader, you could simply open up a short trade on the exact bar that the indicator turned red and place your potential stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips, if you follow along in Forex, okay, above that signal bar's high, right? And same thing on the flip side. Like, let's say you are playing it aggressively and you spot a trend change here, right? This volume indicator turned from red into green, and this is your moment in time where the indicator identified a trend change, right? And so if you were an aggressive trader, you would simply open up a potential long trade right on the close of this bar, and you would place your potential stop loss 1 or 2 ticks or pips underneath the signal bar's low. Make sense? And yeah, man, I mean, you know, an aggressive trader, if you were trading today's morning session and you were maybe able to stay out of a lot of previous chop, okay, then yeah, I think an aggressive trader made a ton of money today. Okay. However, for me personally, and I think for a lot of newbies out there, especially beginning traders who are learning to master trend trading in the market, and you want to do this for a living, right? I know there's a lot of you guys and gals out there. Most of you are passionate and excited about trading the market the way that I am. So I want to speak to you now. I think if you're a beginner, okay, then I think it's going to be a little bit more beneficial for you to be more of a conservative trader. Now, what might that mean? Well, a conservative trader who's trading this volume indicator color band, okay, is not going to trade the color change. Do you understand? Instead, a conservative trader is only going to trade pullbacks. Okay? Or what I've come to refer to simply as the perfect setup. Okay, why do I consider this perfect? Well, I like to trade pullbacks. I like to trade retracements. To me, they represent very high probability and low risk areas for me to make money in the market. All right. And if you've been in this game for any length of time, then you definitely know that the only way to succeed is to put the odds in your favor. AKA, you gotta have those high probability trades. Okay? And I firmly believe that on these retracement pullbacks, like a majority of the time, In my humble opinion, I think you can at least get 1-to-1, maybe 1-to-3, and in extreme cases like 1-to-10 with respect to risk reward, right? And you guys have seen the charts, right? All you long-term customers and clients, you know that these retracement patterns show up everywhere. They show up on every symbol, Forex, futures, stocks, and options. I mean, it literally is, in my humble opinion, the perfect chart pattern to focus on. And it doesn't even apply to beginners. I mean, even if you've been trading for 20 years, right, then I still think the power of retracements can really improve and maybe even supercharge your trading. But at the end of the day, there's really nothing more powerful than a volume-based approach to trading the market. There's all sorts of volume profiles out there that I think look goofy as hell, and I believe I'm the only person in the world that's been able to program something color-coded, something simple, and something logical, right? It just makes sense. When the thing turns red, it's time to look for shorts. When the thing turns green, it's time to look for longs, period. End of story, end of discussion. So I hope you learned something valuable today, and more importantly, I hope you guys crushed it today, and I cannot wait to see what this market's going to give us tomorrow. Guys, that'll do it for this video. If you'd like to get your hands on this powerful volume indicator, then get in touch, call, text, email, whatever's convenient, and I'd be happy to hook you up with a free one-on-one demo, really show you how this volume indicator is going to supercharge your trading. Guys, thanks for watching this video, and I'll see you on the next trade.